Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to open savings account on Cibc app. So make sure you watch till the very end to understand the entire process step by step. First up, what you need to do is head over to actually the Google and you're going to search for Cibc savings account, and then you see that they have all of this. So let's say we want this e-advantage, so we click on this one and from there let it load, and then we're going to click on apply now over here, and then it's going to bring you to a page like this. So we're going to click on let's go one more time. So let's say if you are already a CIBC client, then click on yes, sign now. But if you are not, then click on no, continue application. Let's say that I'm not, so I'm going to click on no, continue application right over here. And then what you're going to do is basically fill out all of this information like your name, your birth date, your email, where you live, and then your tax information, what do you do for a living, your account details, like what will you use it for, and then review everything and then click on submit after checking this button. And there you go, this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.